All right, it is Friday, September 25th, 2020, and this is for my junior string students. We are on page 40 of Essential Elements. I don't play violin. This is the staccato page. So staccato is notes that have space between them. Staccato means with space. And so the bow stroke that we normally use is called détaché, right? So that's if we're just playing where there's no space between the notes, and the only thing that separates the notes is changing the direction of the bow, which gives it that little accent. When you play staccato, you stop moving the bow in between the notes. So I'm just going to play the first measure of 167, which is 4 détaché eighth notes, followed by 2 staccato quarter notes. It sounds like this. And one way you could write that is 4 eighth notes, and then an eighth note, and an eighth rest, and an eighth note, and an eighth rest. There are subtle musical differences between staccato quarter notes and eighth rests with space. We're not going to get into that too much right now, but we're going to play 167, which is the D major scale. I'm going to play it pretty slow, so you get the metronome going here. Da, na, 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 na. No, even slower. Okay, here we go. This is 167. You are playing along with me on your violin, viola, or cello. Instruments up. In 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is pretty decent. Make sure that there's space between those quarter notes, and play along with that once and submit the recording. You could also just submit the recording. I'm going to do a separate video for Arkansas Traveler.